Okay, so guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm showing you that how to set up global postback URL to your MaxBounty affiliate account. So in this video, I will show you step by step that how to sign up with ClickMagik. So we have to open ClickMagik tool right here, and after that, you have to log into your account, and your dashboard will look like this. So what you have to do is click on the campaigns, or you could click on tracking links. Now, tracking links, I have not made any tracking link. I'm going to go ahead and click on Tool, Affiliate Tools, Postback URL Tool. So first we have to get the global postback URL to set up in MaxBounty. So I have the global postback, so I want to get it. What I will do is I will type here affiliate network name. In this case, it's going to be MaxBounty. So I want to copy the URL for the global postback. You see that the postback URL copy to clipboard. I'm going to go to MaxBounty affiliate dashboard. Simply go to settings, global postback. We're going to set the URL campaign tracking type, and we're going to paste that ClickMagik URL right here. Alright, so we've got the link pasted right here. We're going to select on save global postback. Our global postback is updated, so now we go back and we're going to set up our affiliate link tracking. So we're going to click on tracking links. It's super simple that you have to paste the global URL right here, postback URL, and there it says the global postback will be fired every time you generate a lead. If you have defined custom postback on specific campaigns, you can choose fire that one instead in the campaign settings. So we have the tracking links, and we're going to set up a tracking link for a specific campaign that we are going to run. So yeah, here is the campaign that we're going to go run, and click enter. I'm going to go ahead and build a tracking link. We're going to go for search, raw link, simply copy the details, your URL, copy the URL, and now go back, click on tools, affiliate link builder, our network, it's MaxBounty, tracking type is tracking the links, so affiliate link must be entered here. Update my affiliate link. Okay, so now we have this affiliate link updated in our ClickMagik account, so we could copy this URL. Now URL is copy, so what you have to do is we just have to copy this click ID, or we could change anything right here. So simply enter in your affiliate link and update your affiliate link, and you'll see the click ID and your affiliate link. So now to pass a tracking ID your link, just add this to end of your link so it looks like the URL below. We're gonna enter in this click ID on our landing page, so the people are going to be converted to this landing page. I hope this video helps you out. If so, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification